टिळक नगर शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडल, डोंबिवली, लोकमान्य गुरुकुल, English Balbharti, Standard 4, Unit 1, Lesson number 5, 6 honest serving men. I keep 6 honest serving men. They taught me all I knew. Their names are what and why and when and how and where and who. I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. Okay, so the poet here wants to say that he has got 6 serving men. Serving men means men who serve him or help him. Okay, and it is that those six men are the people who taught the author, taught the poet everything that he knows. And who are they? They are what? Kai, why, ka, when, kadhi, how, kasa, where, kuthe, and who, kon. These are the 6 question words or the interrogative adjectives that we have in English grammar, and you get an answer to anything and everything if you ask these 6 questions. So now the poet says that I send them over land and sea. I send them east and west. So the poet is saying, I don't do this thing. Wherever I have a doubt, I use these questions. I use these question words and I get my answers. Okay, so I don't restrict them ki okay, now I'm going to use them, I'm going to study only about the area that I'm living or only about the country that I'm living. No, the author says wherever I go, wherever I live, I use these 6 people, I take these 6 people with me and I use them, I make them help me. But after they have worked for me, I give them all a rest. That means once they have worked for me, once they have given me all the answers, I let it be. I then start understanding what I have read and what I have learnt and everything. I don't keep on asking questions. I let them rest from 9 till 5, for I am busy then. The author is busy from 9 till 5. He has an office to go or he has some lectures to give or whatever. But the author, the poet is working from 9 to 5, and that is why he gives these 6 men a rest. They have a rest from morning 9 to evening 5, because the poet is busy then, as well as breakfast, lunch and tea, for they are hungry men. As well as when the poet is having his breakfast, lunch or evening tea and all, he doesn't study or he doesn't nothing. He just enjoys his food or he just enjoys his work or whatever. Okay, at that time he is not wondering kaise kyun hua, wo kyun hua, ye kyun hua. No, he is not. If he is reading a book, he has a reading as an habit or what, he is not so interested that he leaves all his work and is just study. No. But different folk have different views. I know a person small. She keeps 10 million serving men who get no rest at all. So now here he is saying, I know a person small. A person small means a small baby. See, now if you see, you all have more of questions. Children generally they have questions for each and every sentence that the teachers or the mothers say. Okay, they have lots of questions, so you use them a lot. Who, what, why, when, how, where and who, you use them a lot. So they are your 6 serving men whom you don't give any rest. You are not bothered. TV बघताना पण तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारताय, जेवताना पण तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारताय. For everything there is a का. Why is your favorite question? Ka. Okay. Now this small girl, what she does, she sends them abroad on her own affairs from the second she opens her eyes. 1 million house, 2 million wheres and 7 million whys. As I said, your favorite question, the favorite question you ask is ka. Why? Okay, and this small girl, the moment she opens her eyes, she started getting questions. She sends them abroad on her own affairs, means okay, she started, हे असं का झालं, मी आज हा ड्रेस का घालावा, मी तो शू का घालावा, आज शाळेत का जायचं, आज पाऊस का पडतोय. For everything there is a question. See, some questions we can answer, children, but some questions we can't answer because that is not the answers are not in our hand. Meanings: M them. Affairs, work. Answer the following questions. Who has taught the poet all he knew? The 6 honest serving men have taught the poet all he knew. When does the poet give them all a rest? The poet gives them a rest after they have worked for him. Who keeps 10 million serving men? The poet knows a small person who keeps 10 million serving men. Do the serving men of the small person get any rest? No, the serving men of the small person do not get any rest at all. Now frame questions for the following answers. Mr. Patil is our English teacher. So who is your English teacher? I came to school by bus. How did you come to school? Our school starts at 10 a.m. What time does your school start? The sun rises in the east. Where does the sun rise? I was late because of the traffic jam. Why were you late? And funny stories make me laugh. What makes you laugh? Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye.